Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're obsessed with that soft, chewable nugget ice from your favorite drive-thru but hate the trips or settling for boring cubes at home, then get excited because today we're diving into a countertop champion that's bringing the crunch right to your kitchen. I'm talking about the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. This smart, connected beauty churns out up to 24 pounds of perfect nugget ice a day with app control and UV cleaning for fresh, chewable bliss. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your drinks, smoothies, and parties so much cooler. Let's break it down and see why this ice maker is freezing the competition in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. This isn't your grandma's ice tray. It's GE's upgraded smart ice machine designed for nugget ice lovers, producing that soft, chewable texture that's perfect for sodas, cocktails, or just munching. It makes up to 24 pounds per day, with a 1 pound bin capacity that's ready in 20 minutes for the first batch. The Moonstone finish is sleek and modern, measuring 17.8 inches wide by 13.4 deep by 16.5 high. It fits on counters without hogging space. The smart features shine with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Smart HQ app. Schedule ice production, get low water alerts, and monitor from your phone. It has UV water treatment to kill bacteria for cleaner ice and a self-cleaning cycle for easy maintenance. The bin is insulated to keep ice cold longer, and there's an LED light ring that glows to show status. It uses a simple water reservoir you fill manually, no plumbing needed, and it's quiet with minimal noise from the compressor. Build quality is premium stainless steel inside for durability, and it includes a scoop and drip tray. Setup is a breeze. Fill with water, plug in, connect the app, and start making ice. Priced around $299, it's an affordable luxury for daily use. Versatility is key. Use it for party prep with endless nuggets, chill seafood on ice beds, or blend into smoothies for that creamy texture. The app even lets you set schedules for fresh ice when you wake up or get home. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The nugget ice is addictively chewable and chills drinks fast without diluting. Smart app control means hands-off convenience. UV cleaning keeps things hygienic, and users love the quick production and quiet operation that beats bulky fridge ice makers. Capacity is great for families or entertaining, and the compact size fits anywhere. It's energy efficient too, using less power than running your fridge constantly for ice. But no ice maker's perfect. The main con is the price. At $299, it's not cheap for casual users. It requires manual water refills, no autofill. Some note occasional ice clumping if not used often, and while quiet, the compressor cycles can be heard in silent rooms. Overall, pros crush the cons for ice enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker if you crave that Sonic-style ice at home. The pros like smart features, quick production, and chewable texture make total sense for drink lovers, party hosts, or anyone upgrading their hydration game. It's not just an ice maker, it's your daily dose of cool crunch. Before we wrap, if these reviews chill you out, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.